Just to make sure that the signals from my computer can be used to drive the motor in a floppy drive, I have connected the parallel port in my computer to feed to the selected pins of the floppy driver. Here it is, the computer running on Linux CNC and with the sample file open. The floppy drive is connected using the ribbon wires to the parallel port of my computer. The power supply for the floppy drive is taken from the computer itself. You can see the linear movement of the floppy drive when the motor is turning. It follows the direction according to the sample CNC file which is running on the computer.